Here's how to make TikTok videos. First, if you haven't already, you need to go ahead and download and install the TikTok application on your mobile device. Then launch the application and log into your account. Now let's go over to the basics. The main feed on TikTok is called the For You page, and when you start using the app, this page will show you trending videos and content from popular creators. As you use the app more, the feed will become personalized to your taste based on who you follow, the type of videos you watch, and the topics you search for more. TikTok's algorithm is designed to show you videos you'll be interested in. So when you're watching a video, you'll see the buttons on the right side of the screen. You can use this to check out the user's profile or like the video and comment. You can also save the video to your favorites if you want, and you can share the video. Tap on the share button over here and you can share it among your friends, or you can repost, copy link and share it to other social media platforms like Snapchat, Instagram, and WhatsApp. You can also report the video if it's inappropriate, and you can tap on not interested if you do not want this kind of videos to appear in your For You page, or you can go ahead and download this video, add it to your story, cast, and go through other different options available over here. And to search for something specific, tap on the magnifying glass in the top right corner of your screen. To search for something specific, tap on the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner. And on the search page, you can type in the name of the creator, effect, song, hashtag, or topic. This makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. And to create your own TikTok video, tap on the plus icon in the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on this time option like 10 minutes, 60 seconds, or 15 seconds. And you can also go ahead and add sound by tapping on sound in the top of the screen and select any sound that you want to use to make a TikTok video, and then tap on this red icon and start recording. After you're done recording your TikTok video, tap on this right icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. And here you'll get two different options of next in your story. You can go ahead and add it to your story by tapping on this icon over here. Or you can tap on next, and here you can add a description about your video, and you can even use hashtags. And if you want to mention anyone, you can go ahead and tap on this mention over here and select any person that you want to tag. You can also add a link, and you can set your audience like everyone, friends, or only you. Then tap on more options and go through the options like allow comments, allow reuse of content, and other advanced settings that includes AI generated content, auto checks, copy sound right, allow high quality videos, save to device, save post without watermark, and audience controls as well. And once you're done, tap on post, which is highlighted in red color in the bottom of the screen. And if you want to save it as a draft and post it later, go ahead and tap on the draft option and it will be saved in your drafts. And you can tap on this profile option in the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile. And here you'll get the number of posts that you have posted on your TikTok and also the draft section. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.